Part 2 Quiz on International Yoga Day. Question number 11. How many basic yogasanas are there? Option A 84, Option B 74, Option C 64, Option D 54. The answer is Option A 84. Explanation. 84 basic yogasanas are there. Question number 12. Where is the largest yoga center in Asia? Option A Rishikesh, Option B AP, Option C Tamil Nadu, Option D Mumbai. The answer is Option A Rishikesh. Explanation. Largest yoga center in Asia located in Rishikesh. Question number 13. What is the theme of Yoga Day in 2022? Option A Yoga for Peace, Option B Yoga for Heart, Option C Yoga for Humanity, Option D Yoga for Peace. The answer is Option C Yoga for Humanity. Explanation. The theme of Yoga Day in 2022 is Yoga for Humanity. Question number 14. Who started World Yoga Day? Option A Narendra Modi, Option B Amit Shah, Option C Ramnath Kovind, Option D Muhammad Ali. The answer is Option A Narendra Modi. Explanation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi started the yoga celebrations on the heritage city of Mysore in Karnataka. Question number 15. The World Yoga Day came from which language? Option A Telugu, Option B Tamil, Option C Kannada, Option D Sanskrit. The answer is Option D Sanskrit. Explanation. World Yoga Day came from Sanskrit language. Question number 16. How many countries celebrated International Yoga Day? Option A 130, Option B 122, Option C 182, Option D 192. The answer is Option D 192. Explanation. 192 countries celebrated International Yoga Day. Question number 17. Celebration of International Yoga Day in India is done by which ministry? Option A Food Minister, Option B Education Minister, Option C Ministry of Ayush, Option D Health and Medical Minister. The answer is Option C Ministry of Ayush. Explanation. Ministry of Ayush is celebrated International Yoga Day in India. Question number 18. When was the first International Yoga Day was observed in India? Option A 12th March 2015, Option B 21st June 2015, Option C 5th June 2016, Option D 26th May 2015. The answer is Option B 25th June 2015. Explanation. First International Yoga Day was observed in India 21st June 2015. Question number 19. Pranayama is the cutting down the speed of Option A anger, Option B. Jealousy. Option C. Inhalation and exhalation. Option D. Mind. The answer is option C. Inhalation and exhalation. Explanation. Pranayama is the cutting down the speed of inhalation and exhalation. Question number 20. Who is known as father of yoga? Option A. Swami Shivananda. Option B. Maharshi Patanjali. Option C. Sadguru. Option D. Tirumalai Krishnamacharya. Explanation. Answer D. Tirumalai Krishnamacharya. Explanation. Tirumalai Krishnamacharya is the father of yoga. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe my channel.